Welcome to Pooja's Learning Junction.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our exciting journey through the solar system. We are going to explore all about the sun, the moon, and the planets. But before that, do you know a scientist who studies about space is known as an astronomer? Let's meet the sun. The sun is a huge ball of glowing gas that sits at the center of our solar system. It's like a big bright star that gives us light and heat, which makes life on Earth possible. Without the sun, we would not have day and night or the four seasons. It's super hot, over 5500 degrees Celsius on its surface. Now let's meet the moon. Moon is the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. Did you know the first person to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong on July 20th, 1969? And recently, on August 23rd, 2023, India made a fantastic achievement by landing on the moon with their Chandrayaan 3 mission. There are 8 planets in the solar system. All the planets revolves around the sun. Let's explore all the planets one by one. Meet Mercury, the first and closest planet to the sun. It's the smallest planet in our solar system and has no moons. Because it's so close to the sun, a day on Mercury is extremely hot, but its nights are freezing cold. Did you know a year on Mercury is just 88 Earth days long? Now we see Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It's similar in size to Earth, but is covered in thick cloud of poisonous gas. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, because those clouds trap heat. Here we are at our home, Earth. It's the third planet from the Sun and the only one known to support life. So, kids, make our Earth beautiful. Plant more trees, say no to plastic, and save water. Next is Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, known as the red planet because of its reddish color. It has 2 tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. Did you know scientists are exploring Mars to see if it could support life in the future? Now we see Jupiter, the fifth and the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside it, and its great red spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth. Here is Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made of ice and rock. Saturn has over 80 moons, with the largest even bigger than Mercury. Next is Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. It's a gas giant like Jupiter and Saturn, but has a unique blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere. Uranus rotates on its side, making it look like a rolling ball. Last but not least, Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun. It's a dark blue planet and the farthest from the Sun. Neptune has strong winds, the fastest in our solar system. Did you know a year on Neptune is 165 Earth years long? That was an amazing journey through our solar system, from the hot Sun to the icy Neptune. There is so much to learn and explore. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep dreaming and reaching for the stars. Bye bye.
For more videos, like, share, and subscribe.